everybody. Welcome back to episode 23 of Rattle Together, where we achieve success through respect,
ambition,
do you know any of them? Tenacity,
loyalty,
trustworthiness,
and empathy.
This is our craft episode, and we're going to be doing episodes every Wednesday and Thursday from home with my two lovely ladies. You guys introduce yourselves.
Hi, my name's Ansley. And I'm Jane.
What grades are you girls in?
I'm in first. And I'm in second.
Okay, so they are going to do the work with us every single episode on Wednesdays and Thursdays now. So let's get started. Our riddle yesterday was, what is it that can make an octopus laugh? Do you girls have any ideas?
No.
No? This one is a play on words. What do octopodes, the plural for octopus is octopodes. A lot of people think it's octopi or just octopus, but it's octopodes. Crazy, huh? Okay, so what do octopodes have?
Tentacles?
Tentacles. Does tentacles sound like anything? Does it sound like maybe tentacles?
Oh,
Did you
they
get it?
don't have tentacles. They don't have 10 tentacles.
They don't have 10 tentacles, but they do have tentacles. But 10 tickles is the answer. 10 tickles. Get it? 10 tickles would make them laugh. It didn't really make you guys laugh though. Oh well. Our
I
riddle,
scream when I get tickled.
I noticed. Our riddle for you to think about for tomorrow is, what is a lazy dog's favorite thing to do? What do lazy dogs like to do?
Lay down.
Let's
Sleep.
Mm.
Chew on their bones.
They do like those things, but it's a very silly thing. So, I want you guys to be thinking about this for tomorrow. Okay? All right. So, that's our riddle for tomorrow. What do lazy dogs like to do? Or, yeah, I think that's how it's worded. We'll see. Okay. So, for today's craft, we are going to make almost origami bracelets. We were going to make a different kind of origami bracelet, but this is the one that was voted for by both of these ladies. And the reason I say almost origami is this one requires a little bit of glue. So for this, you're going to need paper, any kind of paper. You know how we roll. A little bit of glue. If your paper isn't already a square, a pair of scissors. And if you want it to be multicolored, you might want crayons and pencils and things. So all we had at home today was this like notebook paper. So the girls already got a head start on coloring in their notebook paper so that they can have a colorful piece of paper. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to give you guys the instructions, okay? So let's get started. I think I'm going to move the camera back a little. Let's see, so that you can see my whole page. No?
I just broke this crayon.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, guys. Yeah, then you can see my whole paper, right? Or more of my paper. If I pull it towards me. Okay, so we're going to take one corner. Doesn't matter which one. You guys know how we do this. We've done it a million times. We're going to fold this edge to line it up with this edge. That's the first step. So, I line it up edge to edge, right? Put my finger on the point. Slide back to the middle. Slide out and slide out. And then I'm going to grab one of these, make a line here. And I'm going to cut on that line. And that is going to be my square.
I barely can even see the green.
You can barely even see it.
Like, you have to look really close to be able to see it.
That's very true. All right. So, we've got Jane drawing a picture, Ansley drawing a picture. Are you girls ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay, here's how it goes. We're going to take and hold your paper. You're going to hold your paper so it's like a diamond. Ready? Hold your paper so it's like a diamond.
Well,
and you might want to hold, well, I guess it doesn't really matter which way. Hold it like a diamond. Then you're going to take one corner and fold it up, but not not quite to the other corner. So almost all the way, like this.
But
So
I'm not
it's
done.
touching the line
We're not done
of the
coloring.
centerpiece. I know, you can keep coloring. And at home, if you're coloring, that's fine. You can pause while you color and then come back. But I've got it lined up so it's on the center crease, so it's in the center, but it's not quite there. And I'm going to bring my finger back, slide it back, and out and out. Now it looks like this. Do you see? It's not quite to the edge. All right, and here comes the next part. We're going to flip it over so that that side is down. And we're going to fold this up just a little bit, keeping the center line on the center line. And I'm going to push it out and out. And this is how that looks. Okay. Next, you ready for this? This is really hard. I'm literally just going to fold this over on that same line. Not hard at all, is it? Push it out and push it out. So now it's like this. And you can see why the girls want two colors, because it starts to make like a stripe over here. But this is kind of cool even without that, because the stripe is just that the stripes are going in different directions. All right, so we're just gonna keep going. We're just gonna keep rolling it up. I folded it again. Line on the line. Oh my goodness, you're coloring very loudly, my dear. Are you? We're gonna wait for Jane to finish for a second. Okay, thank you. All right, and then I'm gonna fold it up again. Line, middle line, staying on the middle line, and again. Still the center's on the center. And again. And again. And again. And again. Now here's where you need your little bit of glue. So I'm gonna take, remember dot, dot, not a lot. On this one, I unfolded it. I'm gonna do a little dot here, fold it back, because, got some glue on the table. That's okay, it washes off because it's water-based glue. And a little dot on this side, fold it down, and a little smidge right here for that top. Fold it down, oh my gosh. Scrabbles. I'm gonna, you know. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of cool, right? Even though it's not, I don't know how well you can see that. There we go. I think that's kind of cool. So now here's how we make it into a bracelet. We're gonna take and we're gonna fold it like this, and we're gonna stick one side into the other side. And you can measure, oops. Whoops. Get a little closer. Uh-oh, I think I just moved the whole camera.
I folded it on the wrong side.
What do you mean?
Fold it the other way.
Oh, you want to fold it the other way?
So that they could see the picture on the inside.
So I've got it folded like this. This is a really big bracelet. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue to keep it together. Again, a little bit of glue. So I'm going to put that glue there and tuck this into that spot. And then hold it while it glues. And that's it. Now I have a bracelet. See that? Beautiful. Aren't they beautiful, ladies? Do you like my bracelet?
Ooh.
Ansley's playing along. So it's my beautiful bracelet. I'd love to see pictures and videos of your bracelets. Share them with me. I will post on our Rattle Together Facebook page later what the girls' bracelets look like when they're finally done. All right? So you will get to see Ansley and Jane's bracelets in the end. Okay, so you can send me your videos and your photos and whatever else to a few places, and I'd like to say thank you to the couple of kids that I've had sending me some things. I'm really proud of those of you who are trying to do some of the things and struggling and then actually getting it in the end. That's really cool. So good job, guys. All right, so you can you see this? Yes.
They should be able to.
Here you can see it. Okay. Email me at rburns, rburns @kusd.org. You can message me on Facebook at m.me/rattlettogether, period. RATTLE to get her, TOGETHER, period. And you can find us on Facebook at fb.me/rattlettogether, RATTLE to get her, TOGETHER, or you can just type Rattle Together in the search bar. Please don't forget to hit the little thumbs up button, like this video, share it, subscribe. I'd love for you to be watching all of our videos. And I'll see you later. I love ya. I miss ya. Mwah. You want to say bye?
Bye.